Assalamu alaikum, guys. We're gonna make some melocita pita, or it's also known as cola Zadi pita. So now
Cola Zadi Pita.
cola Zadi pita. So for this, you want rice flour. You want 16 ounces of it, and you want how many grams of salt this is? Here, let me check. Here. Let's see. The cup is 5 grams. So you need around 6 grams of salt. And you need 2 eggs whisked. Now you want to put the salt in. Okay. We got 8 ounces of water. So we're going to use that to blend it in. So you want to put a little bit of it at a time. And you want to mix it up a little bit. Now I got another glass of water in there. So my mom was mixing this. And look at that. The way she's mixing it. And I'll slowly put in some water. All right. It's a team effort right here. So it should look like this. Almost goopy. And you just want to keep on mixing. Now you want to whisk it. We use, again, 16 ounces of the powder. And now we use 16 ounces of the water. So now you want to mix it up. So we got this goop right here. So now you want to rest it for 10 minutes. Not in the fridge. Just out here for 10 minutes, okay? Set a timer. Okay, guys. It's been 11 minutes. And it should look kind of bubbly like this. And this is whisked. So let's get started. Now we're going to dump this in here. Boom. Look at that. And then we're going to whisk this as well. Whisk, whisk, whisk. It should be like this. The color. We got the pan, and make sure it's really, really preheated before you do anything. My mom got the scooper. So we're going to do the first. Look at that. Ooh. There we go. And you're going to put a lid on top of it and let it steam. And these are like instant, so once you put it on there, you can just cook the next batch right away. Alright, look at that. Now look at that, it's ready now. And so you just want to put it on there, and now the next batch can go. You don't have to put any oil on this. You just got to cook it while it's really hot. Second batch, look at that. My mom has some skills. Look at that. Good job, Ammo. It's Asia time, so we gotta go to the mosque. Look at that. Put the lid on top and set it. High five. Oh, yeah. High five, Ammo. There you go. Next batch. Look at that. Woo. Put the lid on top. There we go. All right, guys, this is the finished product. Now, every piece is literally 60 calories, and you can't beat the macros on here. Look at that. Whew.